What's red, round, and super juicy? That's right! A tomato! Let's grab our markers and draw a big happy tomato together!
Stop! Hey kids, it's BooBoo time! Grab your pencil, it's sketching time! First we start with simple lines, shapes and curves, oh look that's fine! A circle here, a squiggle there, soon a character will appear. I'll sketch with BooBoo, yay! Line by line we draw and play. Every little mark's okay, our BooBoo friend will shine.
Now for the fun part, coloring! Let's color the tomato bright red or dark pink. The top leaves can be green, just like in real life. Wow! Your tomato looks juicy and cheerful!
We sketched our BooBoo looking great. Now it's time to decorate. Pick your colors, bold or bright. Make BooBoo shine in the light. Red or yellow, green or blue. It's your choice, it's up to you. Color, color with BooBoo, yay! Fill the world with joy today. Brush or marker, it's okay. We bring our BooBoo to life this way. Soft and gentle, take your time. Every shade is just sublime. Stripes or dots or sparkles too. Your BooBoo's made by you, so true. Color, color with BooBoo, yay! Fill the world with joy today. Brush or marker, it's okay. We bring our BooBoo to life this way. Mix and blend, have lots of fun. There's no wrong way for anyone. Bright and happy, bold and new. Look at what.
Let's add a little glitter to make it sparkle like it's fresh from the garden. So shiny! So cute! Great job, friends! Your tomato looks amazing and super yummy. Show your drawing to your family and say, I drew a tomato all by myself. Don't forget to subscribe to BooBoo Productions for more fun drawings every week. See you next time!